Okay, hi guys, welcome to your Wednesday training.
Hello, hello.
Today we're going to just talk to you a little bit more. I know we spoke to you already this month about transition, but we wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to use your transition kits as recruiting tools. A little bit more about a couple of things that we do that we haven't already mentioned when it comes to getting set up for the new month.
Yep. So let's start with the transition kits. Transition kits obviously are, as we call them, bumper kits. They are bigger than every other month because there is the extra transition set of testers and new set of catalogs or set of new catalogs. It's an amazing tool for communication and to be able to reach out to everyone who's ever been interested in joining or has just mentioned about might being interested, but it wasn't the right time. The money wasn't right. For whatever reason, they didn't wanna. In that time, you can reach out to them and just tell them it's not about being pushy, it's just about not being selfish and telling them about the opportunity which is available this month. And you can just reach out to them and tell them, hey, I know it wasn't the right time for you the last time, but I just thought I will mention that our starter kit has got some extra value to every other month, and it's still available for the same price. You would get some extra business tools for your business. If you'd like to know more, just let me know or something like that. So it's not about being pushy, it's just about reaching out to people and having the excuse to reach out to them.
Even if you spoke to them a couple of weeks ago, like, it's a different kit now. So it's a really great way just to keep the conversation going. And sometimes the conversation can dry up. So even if you haven't spoken to someone, if you spoke to someone 2 weeks ago, talk to them again. If you spoke to someone 3 years ago, talk to them again. It's just a tool for you to use, an excuse for you to use to get in contact with them and say, look, it's different. Right. This is different from what it was when I spoke to you last. So I'm just
it's different and it's better.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So it's a great way. You should this month is a month where you should be reconnecting with everybody you've ever spoken to about the opportunity. And it's a great way of like getting customers that love Scentsy, getting your existing customers that you love Scentsy excited about the possibility of becoming a consultant, because they've got the new catalogue, the new smells, the smells to go with.
Exactly. Every party host from the past, for example, they've got people who around whom they invited as their guests to a party. So they've got people around who love Scentsy already. So get them excited about becoming a consultant, because starting next month, they can show all these people, they can host a party right away at the beginning of the month, and they can show all these people who love Scentsy already, they can show them all the new stuff and get them to smell all the new fragrances. So it's an exciting time now with the transition kit, with 10% discount, with you're able to reconnect with all past customers as well, in regards to the discontinued product, and you can reconnect with everyone in regards to booking parties for next month and getting people excited about joining, because all the new products coming and everything as well. It's all about communicating and reconnecting in regards to products as well as joining.
And if you play your cards right over the next couple of weeks, if you play your cards right over the next couple of weeks and really reach out to as many people as you possibly can, you're gonna, not only are you gonna have a bumper PRV month this month, you're gonna set yourself up for the next few months. And that's what brings us on to one of the things that we would recommend that you do. We would recommend you do it in person. I can't do it in person this year, neither can Martina. But also I'm doing mine online, but it's the last chance, first glance. So to do it as an open house, and what it is, it's a way of getting your customers into your home or into the VIP group, into the event, however you're doing it. And you're showing them, look, this is the last chance you're going to be able to get all this stuff, and you're going to be able to get this stuff at a discount this month. So that's going to hopefully help your PRV for this month. And also, here's a sneak peek. Here's a sneak peek at what's going on next month. Okay. So, and how
you don't show them everything. You want them to book parties due to them seeing the sneak peeks a little bit. You want them to get excited and book party, or sip and sniff, or whatever.
And what I do is I buy the scent of the month, not the scent of the month. What am I talking about? The bars for the bar kit that's got all the new fragrances in, and I will bulk make samples. I'll make up this. I'll use the stickers, and I'll make little goodie bags for those that attend, so that they get a little peek at some of the fragrances that are coming. They might get like a product sheet, you know, like just little bits and pieces. Like, you don't want to give it all away, but little glimpses of what's to come, because you want them to book parties from it.
You offer to your VIPs sample packs as well. It's your VIPs. You want to treat them somehow. You don't want to give them all of them, but you might want to send them, I don't know, 3 new fragrances towards the end of the month, so they smell them before everyone else does. But in this, you still want them to book parties. But in the same time, you want to give them something more than to anyone else. You want to treat them as your VIPs. So you might want to use it to reconnect with these people as well. You might want to offer free samples of the new products before the end of the month, so that they have it before everyone else.
And another thing that I do is I bulk sample. So I do all my samples for the 6 months of the catalogue at the beginning. So I will probably spend 2 days this month at the end of the month just making sample packs, but they're all done. So I use the clean laundry, body, and the bar kits. So I've got all the new fragrances in before they come out, and then I'll make samples with them, and then literally it lasts me the 6 months. Like, I think I've got a few packs left, which is great. For the order that's coming in before the new month starts, I'll have enough to cover me. But that's it. It has that. So my packs have, like, I've done videos on them before, but I'll probably when I'm doing them this month, we'll jump on and show how we're doing it as well, so that you guys have an idea. But bulk sample making it's just tight for me. It's more time efficient to do it like that. So I've got them all. I'll have them all ready to go when I'm doing my last chance first glance towards the back end of the month. And I do it towards the back end of the month, because I'm not scrambling, that's not the right word. I'm like hustling for sales now. So I want to put all my all my orders through that I possibly can. And then sort of right towards the back end of the month, like 27th-ish, I'll do that online event, give them a little sneak peek of what's coming, and get those last orders in and get the amount on the 10%.
So it's in the most exciting month every time. The 2 months, the 2 transition months in the year, because you can reconnect with everyone, no matter if they were interested in the products or in the business opportunity. It's a great time to communicate with people and communicate. It's all about communication anyway.
And listen, the months when me and Martina have recruited 10, 11, 12 people, they've always been bumper kit months, because you get that momentum going when you're contacting, you're having those conversations flow, and you get the results if you put the work in. But you've got to ask the question, you know. I think that's it.
I think that's it.
Okay,
again, as always, if you have any questions, comment underneath the video or reach out. If you have any more tips yourself, you can just post it to the team page. We would love to learn something new as well. And that's all.
Bye.
Bye.